Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to stabilize a video using CapCut PC. So first we have added it to the timeline and let's play it. So you'll see that there are some shakiness. Okay, we're going to smooth it out. So select the clip, go to the video and then scroll down. So there is the stabilize option, click it. It will start processing. It will take some time for CapCut to process it. So we're just going to wait. In the meantime, you'll see like there's a thing called level, recommended, minimum cut, and most stable. By default, we should be using the recommended. But if you feel like you like most stable, you select the most stable. But that is going to be zoomed in. Let's wait for this to finish, then it will show it. Okay, this is done. So let's play and see how it looks like. So this is the recommended one. You'll see that it is really good. The way it stabilized the video is amazing. However, let's select the other options. So minimum cut, it means it's a little bit zoomed out. So it's not cutting the corners. If you select the most stable, it is zoomed in the most. So let's play it. Yes, it is actually more stable, but I kind of like the recommended one. So this is how you stabilize a video using CapCut. And please subscribe to our channel because we post a lot of amazing videos almost daily. And do not forget to thumbs up. Thanks a lot.